Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you my MERN stack based blockchain voting system. This is secure and reliable. I have done the backend in the Node.js and um, these are the packages that I have used for the backend, and for the blockchain I have used these packages, and we have used our own custom blockchain algorithm. We can also create this in using Ethereum. Now I'm going to show you the packages used for the front end. Now let me quickly run the server. I'm not going to show you .env because I have used my own app password for email sending. And in the MongoDB you can see that there is no user right now. I will quickly create the user. It will take some time as it is trying to send an email. It has sent an email. I have used the template to send an email. Email has been verified. And one thing to notice is that we are throttling our 100 requests for the login for the security reasons. Right now we can log in. I will quickly add a profile picture. The profile is updated. Now I will create 2 more accounts. Which will be used as a voter. Same steps. We can leave this without the profile picture. This is the third account. So we can write is a test. We have got an email. And now I'm trying to log in using this. Everything is working properly. I will add a profile picture to it. The profile has been updated successfully. Check our server. For the notification and other bot data tracking, I am using Socket. Now I will check the MongoDB and we will assign one of the user as admin. After updating the admin, we need to log in and log out for the session. This is our admin panel. We have a lot of functionality in the admin panel. We can see the total number of blocks, total elections, registered users, participation rate. These all are functional. Here we can create election, manage election. Here we can create ballots. Even we can audit it. Every voter needs to be verified by the admin before they can vote. So let us request the two user needs to be verified, so we will request for the verification. Here I will use passport. We will use dummy data over here. I need verified. We can upload the document image which will be used by the admin to verify us. Now we can see that the verification request has been submitted and it will take 24 to 48 hours to be verified by the admin. We can even check our email about the current status. And this is also the template made by me. We have all the details regarding the verification process. And on the profile section we can see our current status. In a few seconds we will even get the notification about our verification status. Now I will again do the same from the other account. Here I will use ID card 1234, write our dummy data. It took some time as it is trying to send us an email. And I will use the same photo. And we would have got an email, here the same email. We can see we have already got a notification regarding our current status. Now let us go to the admin page and verify them. Under identity verification we can see the status is pending. Now I will view this and we can see that this voter is authentic. So as he has uploaded the document with the correct name. Now let's approve. Once approved, it will go to the approved section. Now we will do the same for the others. You can check yourself about the reject. Now we will go to the normal users page and verify the status. It shows identity verified. Here also we got the notification, and on the email also we got that our identity verification approved. Now I will mark this as read. Now let us create an election. We will give election title to the national province election. Description. We don't have time to wait for a day just to test this functionality, so I am assigning the current date and time. And we can add candidate. There should be at least 2 candidates. Later we are unaffiliated, and our main agenda will be the education. We can upload the image for the candidate. We have added 2 candidates, and here only the eligible verified voters will be displayed. We can even search from here, and searching is allowed only for those voters which we have selected in the eligible voters list. So for the testing purpose, whether it shows in other person or not, our authentication or authorization is working or not, so we will assign only one voter to check whether it displays in both or not. Now I will create the election. The election is created, but it is in the pending status as we need to activate it before the election goes to the normal users to cast their vote. Now we can see that this user has not got any information regarding the election, but when coming to this user which we have assigned the voting, we can see it has the upcoming election listed as with the date and time, and here user can see the details who are the candidates, but can't cast their vote until this is in the active status. So let us go to the admin panel and add both the manage election. We will edit it, add this also. While the election is running or it is in the current date and time, we can't do any edit, so this is a good feature, I guess. So let me start the election. Now we can see that user is able to cast their vote. I will cast my vote to her, and here is the election detail, and it says that it is securely recorded in the blockchain. Once submitted, it cannot be changed. So I am going to confirm the vote, and vote has been successfully cast. Your vote has been securely recorded on the blockchain, and this is the receipt. We can verify from here about our vote status. We need to give our voter hash and the receipt ID. And it says that blockchain information, that block hash is confirmed. the vote has been stored and verified. Now I will check the admin dashboard. Are we updated about this or not? We have used socket to get the real-time data. So total vote count 1, and it is showing on the basis of current voting. So yes, we have only one voter right now, so it has declared 100% and it has declared the winner. And on the admin dashboard, we can see that the total participation rate based on all the elections, not only this election. Now I will delete this. Now I'm going to delete this election and check a case where more than one voter is there, and we will need to see that what happens if there is a tie. Now I will delete this election. I'm going to create an election. Let this be a student election. And description college level. We are going to start it today, and right now we will again create the candidate same as the previous steps. This time we need to add more than one candidate to see the case where both gives the vote to the anti-candidates. That is 50-50 chance. Now I'm going to activate this and see the result page. Right now the vote has not been cast, so it is showing 0%. Now it shows the active election, so I'm going to vote. This account is gonna vote one candidate, and this account is gonna vote to the other candidate. And remember that once voted, the user cannot vote again. There is no way to vote again. Only we can view the result. In this case, it shows that tie detected, as 50-50 vote has been given to each candidate. And going to the admin page, I am going to show you some features about blockchain. Here we can see that if by any fault or by any case the mine is not working, admin can manually mine the block from here. And one more feature is that we can back up our blockchain, which is backup in the blockchain data JSON file. Now this is the complete project. Give me feedback once you view the video. Thank you.